how to edit or use CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do this in the easiest way. Just follow me in this video till the end. First you need to upload your CapCut from App Store or Play Store. Then as you see, this is the home page when you open. You want to add a new project, you will just click here. For example, this like I edit before a video. For example, I will start a new project with you guys. So here they will say if you want to take here photo and videos, I will take just some photos. As you see, I will click here to add more on this. I will, for example, add just cancel. I will just add I don't know, maybe 3 picture and click add from here. Then it will show me on my here or to edit. So what's next, guys? Right now, for example, right now, as you see here in the bottom of the screen, you can edit from here. For example, if you want to cut, and here you can add audio, here text, here overlay, here effects, ratio, filters, adjust, stickers, canvas. Let's move here. If you want to mute the video, you will click here, and here you can add the cover of the video, and here the end or the outro. Here you can play like this. Here you can go back. For example, if you do an editing, you wanna like Command Z or Control Z in another like Photoshop, like Premiere Pro, you know. And now here go back, and here go ahead. And what's next, guys? For example, many people ask me how to zoom. This is the most asked question in YouTube, how to zoom on CapCut. So let's say, for example, this picture, I will click on it first, then I will come to this icon right here, click on it, and here I will choose the place where I wanna end my zoom. For example, here I will click again here, and what's next, I will zoom the picture like this, for example, and then I will go back and look. When I play, as you see, it's zoom in, and I will do that. As you see, like CapCut, it's very easy to do an edit on it. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch. Also, if you have any question, you can write it down in comments, and see you in another video.